So this right here is gonna be the key to dialing in that amp the way it's supposed to be. Let's get it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
So we found this. We found a video in which we were able to. Oh, that thing got an aux right there too. I don't think this is gonna work the way I thought it was. But what I'm trying to do is get this test tone over to the radio. So in this car, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult because that's an older radio. In the box, not so much. Because the radio in the box has an actual USB ports to where you can just plug it in and be done with it. So shit. It might have threw a bug in my plans. Alright, shit, quick. Think quick, plan B. Alright, so let's go ahead and wire up these 6x9, 4x10s, whatever they use in the back. Now, y'all know I was bullshit, man. So we got the multimeter back here. We got the amp on. We done already set it. I did have the Bluetooth. I did have the aux cord the sound from my phone to the head unit, so I couldn't record it. But it's a lot of videos out there. Shout out to, I think it was Hobby who sent me the video. Put your voltmeter or multimeter AC volts, adjust it, well, turn the head unit up, play the test tone, adjust your gains, and you good to go. So the one for the highs or the one for the lows has been set. The one for the highs, I haven't even hooked it up yet. So that's what we're probably finna get ready to do now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and run the speaker wires first for this one speaker, just to see how it sounds or whatever. Alright, so we're gonna take 400 watt speaker, max 4 ohm, and then we're gonna wire the terminals on here, and then we can go right to the said speaker like that. I don't know why they do this one, it's just a half, but I guess so you don't fuck it up, but it'll still fit on there, even though it's not as wide as the other one. So let me get them up, and then I'll catch you back on. All right, let's set a track, and then I made this bitch so fine, my nigga. Word. It was love at first sight. Alright, so we got lights. The subs is working. Ran that second set of RCAs over there. Like I said, this is just temporarily. That ain't how it's gonna stay. I'm gonna either find some shorter RCAs or that shit's skipping. CD problems, nigga. CD problems. So like I said, I got this one running to this subwoofer or this 4x10 or whatever. It's turned all the way down now. No sound coming out, but we're gonna put that there on the gain. Let's put the amp all the way up. But the volume not up either. Like, not a whole lot on the deck. So. I'm just thugging my G. Me and YC, 2 women, I'm just thugging my G. I'm just thugging my G. Benjamin Flacco. Sorry, this the intro. No pen, no pencil. Straight off the tempo. I'm just thugging my G. I'm just thugging my G. DJ Love the Nero. DJ Techniques. Streets. Waka Flocka Flame. I'm the king. What's happening? I'm just thugging my G. I'm just thugging my G. I already know. Maybe it's just some speakers. Maybe I need both of them hooked up. But I did not even change the configuration. But it was a 2-on-1 on the other one too. But this is technically in the bridge. It's still technically in the bridge configuration. And that same amperage is pushing this 4x10, which sounds like some bullshit. That's the same shit that was pushing both of the goddamn by 9s or the fucking 12s. Alright, let me grab my damn CDs. Get the juice, nigga. Count so fucking much, my fingers fucking aching. I go hard like I'm rolling. DJ Love and Nero, DJ Techniques. Everything I say, I practice what I preach. Street exact, shout it. But it's only one, so. Count so fucking much, but my fingers fucking aching. I go hard like I'm from making. Got these dead guys in my pocket, so I'm walking with the dead. I wouldn't wanna see me dead, cause I go hard and I ball. And I keep this shit 1,000, all I know is money calling. I'm like Scrooge, big talk. You don't like talk, I don't give a motherfuck. Bread Squad Monopoly, Bread Squad Monopoly, Bread Squad Monopoly. That's the company. So I probably have to end up setting the output power on that one as well. I don't know where my cheat sheet is at, but for these to be able to hold, and I guess that's the difference. Like, I ain't never had nothing on no highs, so I don't know what. Oh shit, you know what I just thought about? Is them bitches hooked up the right way? Them bitches could be hooked up backwards. Alright, let me check something. Alright, so the white is the negative and the white is the negative. No, it's hooked up right. So yeah. We're gonna have to wire it up for the other side and then see what difference it really makes. Cause I'm not feeling it, hearing it, etc. At this moment. So. And like I said, it could just be these bullshit ass Boss Chaos Extreme speakers. Which, I mean, like I said, it's not like they sound terrible. It's just like, I don't know. I was expecting, I don't know, maybe just a little bit more, you know? And like I said, if it's 400 max, I know that's not pushing 400. I'm talking about. So, I don't know. Tune in next time where we're doing more car audio shit. I don't know what I'm finna do now.